Hi, I'm Payam from Payam Data Recovery. I'd like to give you 15 examples today of mobile phones who've successfully recovered and what kind of problems they had. If you've got a mobile phone and it's basically broken, dead, won't turn on, won't charge, you can't access your files, definitely consider using our services. Data recovery is normally very successful with mobile phones that are physically damaged or broken. As long as you haven't erased or factory reset the phone, there's always a good chance we'll get your data back. So I make this as fast as I can. For privacy reasons, I'm keeping all my customers' devices sort of down here, so I can't sort of show you their names and job numbers. But every one of these cases came to us basically as a dead phone, and we managed to copy all the data. So first example, we've got an iPhone XR, and the customer said that the power button jammed and then the phone was going into recovery mode and it would just basically boot loop. We managed to successfully get all the data back. So we'll normally copy your data onto a portable USB hard drive. If you've got an iPhone, we'll create an iTunes backup for you that you can restore into another phone. Also, we give you all the photos and videos and other messages and things like that in a separate folder on the hard drive. All right, let's go fast on these ones. iPhone 7, this one was actually just basically stuck on a white Apple logo. Managed to back up all the data, copy it on there. Another iPhone 7 that a customer actually described that the phone doesn't turn on and it just wouldn't charge and no life basically. And we managed to get all the data off that one again. All right, iPhone XS Max, the description was that they threw it through a wall and it got damaged from throwing it through the wall. The screen doesn't appear to be too badly scratched, had a screen protector on there, but the phone just died after that. It was just a physical shock inside the phone. Next one we got here is iPhone X that our customer reported that it was damaged due to liquid. We managed to successfully get everything back. Just put that over here, running out of space here. iPhone 6, the customer said no power, we got everything back. iPhone 7, customer said no power, not turning on, not charging, got everything back. Another iPhone 7, this one the customer said it was damaged due to fresh water. I'm not sure what kind of fresh water, I'm assuming just water. Another iPhone here, iPhone 7, the customer said damaged by salt water. We get a lot of liquid damage and generally the success is very high with that one. Another mobile phone here, it's an iPhone 6 that the customer said it won't turn on and the screen was very badly damaged. All the data is recovered in every one of these cases. iPhone 5S, customer said that it was damaged due to liquid. We got all the data back again. And let's make it a bit faster here. iPhone 10, that our customer said there was no response from the screen. There is like a crack on the back corner here and a little bit of a hole. And they reported that the reason why no one could get the data back for them, they said that the data was encrypted and they didn't know their passcode. But when we tried the passcode and we got the phone temporarily working, it just worked. We got all the data back for them. This particular iPhone was smashed and it was actually run over by a car, and we managed to get our data back as iPhone XS. All right, 3 more examples of successful recoveries. iPhone 6, the customer said we found had a NAND chip error, which is a memory chip fault. Managed to get all the data back, and that's pretty common with iPhone 6. Here's one is not an iPhone. We don't get too many other brands because we're so good at iPhones. We just get heaps of them coming in. Samsung Galaxy S7 phone, our customer wanted all the deleted information, text messages, voice recordings, Facebook Messenger information for a court case. Got all the data back off that one, all the existing information, all the lost, deleted, temporary stuff that we could find. And the final example is another iPhone 7 that our customer said that they turned the phone off, they charged it overnight, and when they woke up, they couldn't get it turned back on. That kind of stuff happens quite a lot. And the good news is all the data was successfully recovered in every single one of those cases. So if you've got a phone that you've dropped it, smashed it, broken it, failed during an update or something, definitely reach out to us. We don't charge you anything if we're not successful. You don't pay anything now. We charge $650 to get your data back in Australian dollars, and we only charge you that if we're successful. We also do offer payment plan options. So if you have any questions about mobile phone recovery, if you've got a particular problem, please put a comment below. Otherwise, please reach out to us if you need anything. And if you know anyone that needs mobile phone data recovery, or they've had a problem and they've kind of wanted their family photos recovered, please share this or kind of post it to your page so you can let them know about us. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.